the features and increasing the data we have is not always a good option unless we really have no way. We really need more data, then we think about that. So usually, for example, if you go hackathon or competition, or if you work in companies, they will give you a data set and they will ask you, hey, give me some prediction, like some competition. Then you just give that data set. You cannot have more, right? Then you need to find different way with the model. Either you build a lot of model on some point, in some model to see how the accuracy is, or you do tuning hyperparameter to keep tuning, trying improve the model, see if it works or not.
Sorry, but as in, instead of increasing the number of variables, like when do we know whether we should, like for example in regression you use interaction terms, it's like, I mean you try to create derived variables that may have more information content than what you already have.
Yes, yes.
So when do we decide whether we should go down that route or it should just be hyperparameters building? That would actually not require us to collect more variables,
yes,
but
correct.
still have a higher dimension.
Correct. Actually, so far, usually, personal experience, I will tune the model first. Like, I will try different ways to tune it first and try other model as well. Because to deal with the feature engineering, personally, it's harder for me to do so. And because for variable, right, the multi-correlationality and the correlation between them is a bit tricky as well. So usually we try to avoid that, reduce the dimension of the data set to increase the accuracy. But any other opinion for this on this point?
There's one that I usually try, which is correlation. I see the correlation between the columns, and if this correlation is very, very less for some columns, I drop it. That's the first thing. After that, I concentrate more on the hyperparameter tuning, because there's no point adding more and more new features, or no point dropping more and more features or variables. I would actually do the variable selection at the first by using correlation. After I find out the correlation is very less, I drop those. Then I concentrate mostly on the hyperparameter tuning, because by dropping the columns, yeah. So by dropping the columns that are not having good correlation, you already get some good percentage. Then what you need to do is to tune it more and more by doing hyperparameter tuning to get a better accuracy.
Any other questions? Any questions about the presentation? I thought you had a question. Okay. Any other question for the whole presentation from slide 1 up to tuning? Otherwise we will, okay, yes.
You were saying that when you want to tune a model for the k-means clustering, you just try and narrow the k, right? But intuitively, if you had 10,000 data points, and if your k is 10,000, you'll be overfitting, but then you have perfect accuracy.
Yes.
And so, I mean, how do you, I would agree with the gentleman there that using our method or even going further and saying that gap statistic would be a better way to slide your k rather than
Which method is better?
Gap statistic
Gap
is better
okay.
than the algo method.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, because intuitively, right?
Yes,
10,000
yes,
data
correct.
points,
Too much is not, yeah, correct. Yes. Okay. Thank you for that. Any other comments or questions before we moving on to the labs and NLP? Okay, thank you so much, guys. So before NLP and labs, we would like you guys to have a breakfast before we moving on to more hands-on practice after we finish the theory. Thank you so much.